The DJI Pocket 4 is generating significant buzz as it edges closer to its official release. The device has recently appeared in the FCC database, a move that doesn't necessarily reveal groundbreaking features, but is a clear signal that DJI is ready to launch. The filing confirms that the hardware design is finalized, and the company is simply completing the remaining certification steps. While product images are absent, the documentation provides valuable insight into the core upgrades, most notably the enhanced battery. The Pocket 4 sees a boost from the Pocket 3's 1,300 mAh battery to 1,545 mAh at 7.7 V, marking an 18% increase. This improvement is expected to translate to roughly 15 to 18% longer shooting times, a welcome enhancement for creators who often found the previous models a bit limited in endurance. Despite the larger battery, DJI appears to have kept the device lightweight, likely by refining internal components rather than undertaking a complete redesign. The physical appearance remains almost identical to the Pocket 3, signaling a thoughtful evolution rather than a radical shift. Connectivity options remain familiar, featuring Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth Low Energy, although details on whether it upgrades to BLE 5.2 are still unclear. The real excitement, however, lies in the rumored features. Reports suggest the Pocket 4 could include dual cameras, an additional display, and multiple creator-focused enhancements, making it potentially the most significant refresh in over 2 years. With FCC approval already secured, DJI seems poised for an official announcement, with insiders hinting at December 18, 2025, as a potential reveal date. Among the most notable upgrades is the camera sensor. The Pocket 4 is expected to feature a much larger 1-inch imaging sensor, a major leap forward from previous generations. Early reports indicate this could be a tube design, slightly cropped to fit the compact body, and possibly adopting a square format similar to DJI's Osmo Action 6 and Osmo 360 cameras. A 13.2mm by 13.2mm square sensor would allow true 4K vertical video without compromising resolution, a huge advantage for creators focused on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Video recording capabilities are rumored to see a significant jump, with the Pocket 4 supporting 6K recording at 30 frames per second. While not everyone may deliver content in 6K, the extra resolution provides editors with more flexibility to crop, reframe, or stabilize footage without quality loss. High-speed recording is also expected, with 4K at 120 frames per second enabling smooth slow-motion capture directly in camera. These improvements could make the Pocket 4 highly competitive with other high-end action cameras and mirrorless systems, which now offer similar frame rates and resolutions. Exposure control and lens options are also expected to improve. Some leaks point to a variable aperture ranging from f2.0 to f4.0, allowing for more nuanced depth of field and exposure adjustments. Other reports suggest DJI might retain a built-in 5-stop ND filter system instead, extending the Pocket 3's existing capabilities for optimal outdoor exposure without additional accessories. The Pocket 4 is also rumored to cater to modern workflows with built-in storage likely starting at 32 GB, expandable via microSD cards. A 10-bit D-Log-M color profile is expected, offering a wider dynamic range for more precise color grading. Audio options could expand with Osmo audio support, making the device compatible with DJI's wireless microphones. Another interesting feature could be 360 degrees panning, similar to the Osmo Mobile 8 smartphone gimbal, enhancing creative shooting options. However, some long-standing requests remain unaddressed, such as a dedicated gimbal motor lock mode for safer travel handling. Launch timelines point to December 18, 2025, but broader availability could align with CES 2026, fitting DJI's typical release patterns. Pricing is rumored to fall between $500 and $600, positioning the Pocket 4 as a competitively priced, high-capability compact camera. Meanwhile, the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 is also stirring excitement in the action camera segment. Early leaks indicate a transformative upgrade rather than a minor iteration. While details remain unconfirmed, insiders hint that the Ace Pro 3 could redefine what a compact action camera can achieve, targeting creators who demand professional-grade performance. Pricing may range between $600 and $700, reflecting its high-end positioning. Following the launch of the Ace Pro 2 in October 2024, the Ace Pro 3 is expected to arrive between late 2025 and early 2026. Leica's renewed partnership with Insta360 in March 2025 adds fuel to speculation of major optical and sensor upgrades, promising sharper, cleaner visuals across diverse conditions. Perhaps the most exciting development is the rumored triple AI processor, a significant leap from the dual-chip design in its predecessor. This increased processing power could enable real-time video enhancements, advanced object tracking, and intelligent editing directly on the device. Essentially, the Ace Pro 3 might operate more like a portable production studio than a traditional action camera, capable of optimizing and assembling footage on the fly. Sensor upgrades are also anticipated, with expectations of a 60 to 70 megapixel sensor, improving low-light performance and providing more cinematic nighttime footage with reduced noise. The camera may also support 8K recording at 60 frames per second, a specification currently unmatched in the mainstream action camera market. Both the DJI Pocket 4 and Insta360 Ace Pro 3 exemplify the ongoing innovation in compact filmmaking tools. DJI focuses on refining portability, endurance, and usability for creators, while Insta360 pushes the envelope in image quality, AI-driven processing, and professional-grade features. For content creators, this means unprecedented flexibility in both shooting and post-production. The Pocket 4 promises to enhance the everyday creator's workflow with longer battery life, advanced video capabilities, and smarter design refinements, making it an appealing option for vloggers, social media enthusiasts, and traveling filmmakers. On the other hand, the Ace Pro 3 caters to high-end creators seeking cinematic visuals, AI-powered workflow efficiency, and groundbreaking specifications that challenge what's possible in compact action cameras. Ultimately, the next generation of handheld cameras is not just about incremental upgrades, but about reshaping how creators capture, edit, and deliver content. DJI's Pocket 4 and Insta360's Ace Pro 3 highlight two complementary approaches, one prioritizing usability, versatility, and evolution of trusted features, the other emphasizing cutting-edge technology, processing power, and optical performance. The end result for users is a richer array of tools that can adapt to diverse creative needs, whether producing vertical social media content, cinematic travel videos, or high-resolution, slow-motion storytelling. With both releases potentially landing in the 2025 to 2026 timeframe, the handheld camera market is poised for an exciting surge of innovation, offering creators new ways to explore visual storytelling with greater freedom, control, and quality than ever before. These developments suggest that 2025 could be a landmark year for compact, high-performance cameras. From longer shooting times and square format sensors to AI-assisted video processing and 8K resolution, the evolution of these devices reflects a broader trend. Portable cameras are no longer just secondary tools. They are central to professional and semi-professional content creation. For creators, this means more flexibility, more creative possibilities, and ultimately, the ability to produce content that's closer to their vision without the usual trade-offs of size, weight, or technical limitations. With the DJI Pocket 4 and Insta360 Ace Pro 3, the handheld camera landscape is entering a new era, one that balances convenience, power, and cutting-edge innovation for creators at all levels. If you want, I can also create a *** catchy, engaging 700 to 800 word version *** optimized specifically for YouTube viewers, that reads like a dynamic script rather than a written article. It would keep attention spikes and viewer attention in mind. Do you want me to do that?